convert photos into a cartoon effect in Photoshop. This also is created with the same method. Let's get started. First of all, go and check your image size. Make sure that one of the width or height is 2000 pixels. You should change your image size, since filters depends on the image resolution. Now, with U layer selected, duplicate it once with Ctrl+J. Grab your quick selection tool from the Tools panel. Start selecting your object. From the Options panel, grab the minus selection tool to subtract from selection. Get back to the plus selection tool. You can switch between the plus and minus selection tools by holding the Alt key.